Today we're here to talk about the second part of the Student and Business Plan template, the marketing plan. Part A, customers. What are the key characteristics of your customers? Are they homeowners? Where are they located? How much money do they make? Etc., etc. That's what we're looking for here. Part 2, estimate the number of these customers in your target area. You want to know the number of customers in your target area. Part B, cost and price. Who are your key suppliers and how do they charge? What, if any, credit terms do you have set up with them? You want to know these things here. Part 2, what are you charging for your product or service? Explain to us how you have calculated your price. Part C, sales estimates. Have you calculated your monthly sale? How have you calculated your monthly sales on your cash flow statement? In many instances here, you may need to estimate if you are in business for the first time. Part D, competition. Who are your major competitors and how does their pricing compare with yours for a similar product or service? Part E, advertising and promotion. How will you inform your customers about your product or service? And how much does it cost? That's what we want to know here. Part 2, when are you planning to start advertising? That's it for the second part of the Student and Business template, the marketing plan. Next up will be the third part, which will be the financing. Part 3 of the Student and Business Plan template is the financing. A, how are you planning to finance your business or cover startup costs? Through personal savings, help from your parents, different types of loans, other funding sources, or the Student and Business Program. What we're looking for here is the amount and the item. Down here, we want you to total up the financing required. Part B, if your business is not successful, we want you to explain how you plan to pay the loan back. That's it for the Student and Business Plan template. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact your Startup 100 team.